Hello, everybody. This is a little update. Yeah, I'll say a little update. Yeah, a little. Okay. So not a big one. A little.
We're gonna have to say.
A little.
Check this out, dude. I need some help.
Little.
So you two are safe now. You're gonna go to the dance together.
Toto.
It's kind of scary. It's scary. Oh, we're out. We are
Okay.
out. And more airmen. Hell yeah. We're gonna lose Dude, they should make it so you can play the game. Oh, that would be sweet. That would be sweet.
Okay, the first update is that I'm gonna do videos every day. Well, if I have time. If I have time. Okay? But if I don't have time, I might miss it. So, yeah. And, the second one is, that I'm trying to get my intro to work. But I don't know how to put it on my vids. Because I have a tablet, not a computer. So, if anyone knows how to do it, please tell me how. And the third update is that I'm gonna do the YouTuber of the day. If you don't know what that is, maybe because I invented it and nobody else did, well, I think.
I've seen her pick her nose. You can't go on a date with someone if you've seen them pick their nose.
And,
It's really awful, What's how is it my fault? Well, you told me to try and do something to cheer up.
And the YouTuber of the day is that I'm gonna say a YouTuber. Say a YouTuber for the day. Like, I don't know. You just have to wait or sit. Sit or stand. If you don't have a, I don't know, a bed, a chair. So yeah.
Dude, I made it so far. I made it so freaking far.
So yeah, that's all that I have to say right now. Okay? So, good.